Happy 2020, everyone. Welcome back. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for String Tech Workstations. We've got a whack of stuff on the go this coming week. This is an old Hispana guitar that the customer's dad bought it way back, and that needs a bunch of work. We're going to need to remove that bridge. We're going to fill that in and re-slot it and put a compensated saddle on it. We're going to be putting a compensated nut on this one as well. And of course, the Patreon subscribers will get a complete detailed play-by-play on it. This is the other job I have on the go. Tom's been coming for about 20 years or something. Compensated nut, of course. These are 11 to 48 strings. I'm going to set the action just a little bit higher on this one because he's planning on kind of utilizing this for doing his slide stuff, right? So a little bit heavier string, a little bit higher action. So this is the final result on the 11 to 48 strings at concert pitch. Saddles, I did wick some blue Loctite in there because the Epiphone saddles tend to slop around a little bit more than the Tone Pro or the actual official Gibson bridge saddles do. So that's kind of firmed it up, and you can see that G-string had to go way back. I didn't need to flip it, but it's backed right up against the casting. Lots of clearance here from the tail piece to the back of the casting. Those two outside strings are not touching, although the lay of the neck on this guitar is actually exceptionally good. It did need to be dressed. There were a couple of spots, high spots up here that needed to be dressed, recrowned, and polished. And of course, this was all done on the new GPS TechDeck. I need to shout out congratulations to TJ Silger in Saskatchewan. He's got his GPS unit and his neck surgery jig. The last 7 TechDeck owners, they're starting off 2020 with brand new TechDecks. Congratulations, guys. I'm sure you'll be flipping the price on those things the first couple of weeks you got them. Cheers.